Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. I'm excited to share that I have created a new free printable for this month. It's a calendar with a sea adventure theme that you can use in your planner or journal throughout May. I have also created an undated version of this monthly calendar, which is now available in my shop. Check it out. I recently created a set of sea adventure themed printable stickers for my May bullet journal setup, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. This set includes 4 sheets, and the nautical colors bring me so much joy. I'm planning to use these stickers in my travel journal too, but since it's smaller in size, I will be printing them on A5 paper to ensure they fit perfectly. For this setup, I have chosen to use markers in shades of sky blue and royal blue. Now, let's get started. For the cover page, I have focusing on the nautical stickers to capture the relaxing feel of this theme. I'm printing the stickers on sticker paper and pre-cutting them to save time in this video. I'm drawing thick and thin waving lines using 2 blue shades of markers to imitate the ocean wave. Next, I'm using a leftover mini calendar sticker and adding the May title from my monthly scripts sticker sheet. I'm also adding some sea adventure stickers to the page and writing the May title using hand lettering. I'm currently working on my monthly calendar spread for May, and I'm using the free printable I created for this setup. To make it convenient and visually appealing, I printed it on letter-size sticker paper, cut off the margins, and folded in half. Now I'm sticking the calendar sheet horizontally onto my notebook. If you are interested, you can download this free printable from my website by clicking the link in the description below. Moving on to my weekly goals page. I'm thrilled to incorporate these notepad style stickers into my spread. I printed out 2 sheets of this page, and I'm arranging the stickers in a random direction for a fun, playful look. To express the purpose of this page, I'm using my header sticker sheets to create a weekly goals title. It's simple and effective. If you found this video helpful or inspiring so far, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content. Your feedback is essential for me, so please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. It's time for me to set up my habit trackers. I haven't used them in a while because I didn't have the motivation and would often leave the spread empty. However, this month I want to build up some habits, so I'm setting up this spread again. When I designed this printable, I purposely made the charts in different shapes to make them look fun when filled out. Do you feel motivated to keep track of your habits? Please share your suggestion on how you keep yourself accountable. I would love to hear from you. If you are looking for more inspiration, head over to my Instagram and Pinterest boards, where I post my bullet journal pages and ideas. I'm tracking my water intake, self-care, prayers, and fitness. And by the way, don't forget to check out my variety of free printables available for download, including a 13-page floral planner kit, a 2-page self-care planner, a sunset-themed planner printable, a mood tracker, and many more. The download link is in the description. Moving on to my ideas and the to-do list page. I always like to include a free thoughts section in my setup. This way I won't lose any good ideas that pop up in my mind. Moving on to my first weekly spread. I'm creating a layout that's fun to look at. These ocean colors make me feel like I'm traveling and bring me so much happiness. I'm leaving space at the bottom of the left page for the next week sticker, and I'm adding a group of stamp stickers on the right page upright. Now let's take a look at my second weekly spread. For this layout, I'm using wavy lines for the boxes of each day. To showcase the beauty of this scenery, I'm adding a big lighthouse sticker at the bottom of the right page. Then I'm adding some details for each day and the dates. I'm currently working on my third weekly spread. And I'm designing this layout with slanting lines from the up left page to the bottom of the right page. I find that having a different layout each week makes me excited to plan for the new week. What about you? Do you prefer to have a regular layout each week? Or do you like to change the layout often? Let's take a look at my fourth weekly spread. I'm designing the layout on the top of the 2 pages and leaving space on the bottom to stick many cute nautical stickers. On the bottom of the right page, I'm adding 2 square stickers for notes and the to-do list. Moving on to my 5th weekly spread. I'm making 8 square boxes with 4 on each page. On the left page, I'm drawing these boxes on the bottom half, and on the right page, I'm drawing them on the top half. This is the final flip through. Don't forget to download my free May calendar printable and check out my new Sea Adventure printable stickers in my planning shop. I hope you find some inspirations for your own creation. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to share more videos with you soon. Bye!